Welcome back. 3 Minute Thursday. Today's move I'm going to teach you looks like this. Oh yeah. Let's break it down. Gonna grab in a tennis grab, gonna grab in a tennis grab. Tricky part to start with, gonna swing that over into that position. That is it. As if you're gonna throw that bottle somewhere, you're gonna swing it over behind you. So this part, your reverse forearm is facing up. Make sure you're twisting your bottle around. So it's in this position here. At the same time, you're gonna thumb roll towards you. You're in tennis grab, you're gonna thumb roll towards you. You wanna thumb roll up to this reverse forearm. Once you get there, you're gonna hit it, whee, okay? One more time. Hit it, full rotation into beer grab. From there, you're gonna lift that up, lift, catch in beer grab. Now, it's a simple backward swipe. Shaker's gonna go over the top of this arm, catch it in there, bring it over, do the paw, yeah. Palms away, thumbs down, grab the bottle, tennis grab on the shaker, palms away, thumbs down. All right? Swing, thumb roll, bump, drop, over the top, swipe into the paw. One more time, all together, grab, grab, all right? Over at the same time, you see? Over at the same time, bump, drop, over the top, swipe, bish, bash, bosh. Let's do it with a real bottle. Let's do it. Do, boof, ba, bo. Oh yes! And if you notice, the better you get at this, the quicker it will be. Quick little movements that are just gonna look awesome, okay? But you can go slower. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as you are practicing it. I, as a poet, you didn't know it. That was 3 Minute Thursday this week. Yeah, 3-minute flair bartending tutorials. Let me know what other flair bartending tutorials on 3 Minute Thursday you would like to see on 3 Minute Thursday. I think I've said 3 Minute Thursday one too many times on this video. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Until next time, see you then.